Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys some of the things that I picked up at Pep Home. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. So let's get right into it. So the first things that I picked up were these two tribal inspired serving bowls, and I only picked two because I actually want to be serving salads in these, so I can serve like some nice potato salad and also some chakalaka in them. And they're quite big, and also they match my theme in the dining room area. They also come in other colors. I also saw a gray, completely gray one, and then one that also had white inside and also a pastel green, and these were only going for 35 rand, so I picked up two of those. And I am absolutely in love with the quality and also the print that is embedded on the dish. So I also have these I don't even know what to call this shape, serving dishes. I actually bought two of these, and I got these a couple of months ago, but when I went on this shopping spree, I also saw them at the store, so I thought I should include them in this video. And these were only going for 40 rand. They're quite big and spacious. You can serve salads in these. I love to prepare my green salad and serve them inside these dishes, so I absolutely love them. And then next I've got these two platter boards. These are actually black plates. I got these for 30 rand at the time at Pep Home. This was also an old purchase, but I also saw it when I was doing my purchase now, and I just love these to serve things like chicken wings, also your roasted chicken if you've got those. So I picked up two of those. And then next is the most exciting purchase that I made, is this serving bowl. I also found it to be very cheap for the quality that I got it for, and this was only going for 50 rand, and I'm going to be adding this to my white serving dish collection. And basically I'm going to be using this to serve two different side dishes, like perhaps I could serve some butternut and then some cream spinach on the other side. I really loved it. I actually regret now only picking one. I should have actually taken two of those. So you should go and check out your Pep Home and see if they've got them. Okay, next I've got this bowl. I actually got two of these bowls for breakfast. It's not really for serving, but I just wanted to show you guys that they've got really good quality bowls as well. And this one has this nice honeycomb exterior, which is really nice. And then the second one that I got was this one, which if you watched my chicken liver video, you saw that I served the chicken livers inside this, and I really love these bowls. I think they're handcrafted, handmade, and they really look good if you're going for that type of aesthetic. So this one was 30 rand, and then the one with the honeycomb exterior was 20 rand, and you can buy a whole set. If you want 6 of them, you can buy 6 of them if it goes with the theme that you're going for in your house. Okay, so the next bowl that I got were these dishes. These are serving dishes. They come in various diameters. I got this big one, and I actually have two others that you've probably seen me serving some stews and things in. I really love them for serving stews, my steamed bread, for also serving rice. And I also picked up colors that match with the theme of the house, and these are also very cost efficient. I think the big ones were going for 50 rand, and then the smaller one goes for 40 rand. I also picked up these small bowls that have a irregular shape. I really fell in love with them. I think I'm going to be using them to serve some starters, or also to serve some desserts, but it's also going to be good for serving side dishes, like if I just want to have crushed garlic or chilies serving with the dish that I'm going to be serving on a particular day. I hope that makes sense. Next I've got these serving platters. I absolutely love these. I fell in love with them and the color, so I picked up 4 of them, 2 of them in a pastel green, and then the other 2 I chose a off-whitish color. And I absolutely love these for serving things like, you know, if you've roasted some chicken or something like that. And these were only going for 30 rand one, and they're quite heavy. It's quite a good quality, and I also like the rustic feel that it has. Okay, I also picked up a few things for my pantry. Picked up these cookie jars, which I'm going to be storing grains in, things like rice, oatmeal, and these were only going for 40 rand. I picked these particular ones because I liked the pattern that they had. They also had smaller ones and miniature ones which you can put things like sugar and milk in, but I only wanted these really big ones to put my grains in inside my pantry. And that is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Let's continue the conversation in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.